everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this Kua tennis dress that I got. This is so cute on. You can see the length. I'm about 5'3" and it goes right above my knee. And then the back here is a halter strap and it's super comfortable. The straps themselves are adjustable, which I love. I hate when dresses don't have that. So my favorite things about this dress, it is super stretchy. It's 75% nylon and then 25% spandex. So it's got a lot of stretch. And then underneath it, I will show you if I can get it up. So it actually has a complete bodysuit underneath it. So it has little shorts and the shorts have little pockets on each side and it goes all the way up the dress. So the entire dress has a bodysuit underneath it. So that means it's got a built-in bra and then bodysuit with shorts. So you can do yoga, you can play tennis, you can just run errands and you don't have to worry because you're completely covered underneath. It's also moisture wicking, so it's perfect for if you are doing activities or like working out or anything like that. The sweat's not just gonna drip through your dress at all. Super breathable and lightweight, but it is really strong material. It's not see-through at all. The length is just perfect. It holds up in the washing machine really well. I've washed it multiple times and dried it and it still looks great. So if you're looking for something like this, it does have this round little scoop neck. It comes up about mid-chest. I just think that this would be a perfect choice. So something fun for summer, something fun to work out in that's just a little different than the usual yoga pants. I think this would be a great choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.